Sleep Token, Granite. I bet you all thought, hey, Sleep Token just released 2 new banging tracks. I believe that they're gonna take a little break, you know, and maybe release another song later down the road. Nope! Here is a new song called Granite, and it has 3 minutes and 45 seconds. It's the shortest song from this new album so far, but I believe it's going to be, again, very sexy. These guys are gonna go far. Let's check it out. Let's check out Granite by Sleep Token right now. 3, 2, 1, go! Hope you're having a great day, by the way. Because I believe, after this, there won't be anyone having a bad one. Yep. Or Granite. I've been saying it wrong. I'm sorry. Me no English so good though. Okay, we're starting a vibey. Spark said, hey, hello. Starting off real vibey. Oh, nice vocal harmony going on here. Such a nice pace of vocals. I can already see some people going like, hey, this is not metal. Shut the fuck up. Who cares? We're 1 minute and 10 seconds in. These guys, they do a lot of different stuff, okay? You never know what to expect. This starts off vibey, but, you know, it might go sideways any second. So let's continue. Oh! Oh, those nice farty, bassy electronics. Rather than 6 feet under, they'd be lonely. Damn, that's a statement right there. Ooh, those slide piano. They are building that shit up. Ooh, it's just adding layers on top of layers. Loving that. It's almost like 80s synth atmosphere right here. A little bit. And goddamn, that is some sexy armor. That's that drop from Razageth Mythic or something like that. And you know what? As a metalhead, I'm just gonna say it. It doesn't have to go metal at all, and I'm gonna freaking love this because so far it is just a goddamn vibe. And sometimes you just need to chill out a little bit. So let's see what Mr. Pandora's box head brings us. Oh, I'm smelling something. Oh my. Someone's going to die. It's going to be me. Oh! Oh, that fucking pause, brother. I need a spare head right now. Woo! Holy shit. They actually went there. Fucking hell, mate. Those little drum pauses, loving that. Oh. Man, Sleep Token are going to own 2023. I'm feeling that shit. Oh, that guitar tone is fucking gnarly. Woo! Oh no. He's been bathing in tar, seems like. Bro, I seriously thought they're just gonna go like straight up, non-metal song, no, distorted guitars at all, just like this super chill vibe. They had me believing that that's what's gonna happen. And of course, again, the sleep token curse has struck me 100%. I got bamboozled. No, but seriously, sleep token out here just freaking changing the game. This sounds fresh as hell. Previous tracks also freaking awesome. All of the 3 new tracks are just straight up fiery bangers. And there was some tracks on the previous record that I wasn't a fan of. But this time, every single new track has been absolutely on fire. This album, man, album of the year contender right now. Just gonna say it. Definitely a contender already. So, guys, how do you feel about Granite? I still have no idea how to pronounce that, but let me know in the comments down below if you like the song, if you hate it, if you want to make love with the song. Do we worship or do we not worship? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy this little reaction. If you did, please leave a thumbs up because it helps all the videos a lot. And I will see you all next time. Cheers, yo! That's a weird word, but I'm gonna...